Hi Sunshine Families, it's Miss Emily from the Fireflies Room, here with another science experiment for you using just a few things that you can find around your house. For this experiment, we're going to be making a tornado in a bottle. So what you need is a clear bottle filled most of the way to the top with water, some dish soap, some food coloring, some sand, and maybe some little balls of foil rolled up, some pencils, markers, and paper to record our results. So what we're gonna do is make a tornado in our bottle. And we can make a tornado in the bottle just as it is right now. All we have to do is turn it around and get that water spinning. But that's not very much fun. I mean, it's kind of cool, but it's not all that much fun. So let's make it a lot more fun. We're gonna open up our bottle.
Like how much better can you make it?
You just wait.
A
A
lot
lot better. Ben, can you put a little bit of dish soap in there?
Okay. Oh.
It's okay. It's fine.
It's okay. Hey, can I say something?
Jonathan, can you go grab a paper towel?
No, that's...
So we've got our bottle cleaned up a little bit. We've got the dish soap in there. We're gonna use 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue food coloring.
I hate...
Nice. Just 1, gentle. Okay, perfect. Now put the lids on the food coloring. That's an important step to never miss. We're gonna put the lid tightly on our tornado. And you might wanna get in close for this so you can take a look at what's happening. I was talking to your dad, Benny. So, we're gonna spin it around, and we're gonna put it down and we're gonna look at it.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
That looks like maybe a
You
dust
can see
devil.
it go down. Yeah, like a dust devil you might see on the side of the road.
I once actually saw a dust devil.
You did.
Can I try spinning?
We're all taking turns spinning it around and trying to make the tornado in the bottle. Jonathan's kind of shaking it back and forth, which isn't giving us the biggest tornado. You gotta kind of, there you go, Izzy. Get that water spinning. Ooh, there we go. You can see it on that one. Benny, you wanna give it a try before we change up things a little bit?
If you want to make a hurricane, shake it back and forth. Oh, nice.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some debris into our tornado.
Can I add this?
What do you guys think is gonna happen when we add a pinch of the sand? Ben, get a pinch of the sand. Maybe 2 pinches of the sand.
Yeah, small pinches.
What do you guys think is gonna happen when there's debris in there?
It's gonna be like the real one. It'll be like a land hurricane.
I missed.
Like a dusty spinny, like one that has like houses.
Oh yeah, it could be, you know,
people.
dirt or rocks or people. I don't really like imagining that. All right, so let's see.
It's kind of heavy.
Ooh.
It's like there's thunder sometimes.
Yeah, it kind of looks like, well, isn't thunder
Here,
what we hear?
look.
And those keep going.
Is one heading to the bottom?
That's super cool. Now it's time to record our results. So we've got paper, and we've got pencils, and we've got markers to draw what we see happening in the bottle.
Detail.
Yeah, get in with those details, Benny Lou.
I'm not ready.
We have recorded our results, and Ben,
ready.
it's okay, you can keep working on it, no rush. I have drawn my tornado in the bottle. Jonathan, let's see yours.
So I drew like a tornado, and I showed the debris going around it. It goes circling to the top, and near the top. One went down, and then I draw And then I drew what a real tornado would look like.
Ah, I like that.
And it
Izzy?
would carry you around, spinning around.
That's the bottle, and then is the tornado.
Now, what are some other things we could do to change this or to build on this experiment that we've done?
Could add different things to represent different objects.
Like what?
Like
Humans.
We could put a human in the bottle?
Something
You could
Maybe some things that sink. We could see if we could get some things that sink
Like-
because
this.
the aluminum foil floats. We could see if we could get things that sink into our tornado.
You could like this, since we have a ton of them.
And something you could use this experiment for is a calm down bottle. Maybe if anyone's having big feelings that they need to take a pause from, you could spin up the tornado, and when it calms down, maybe you'll be calm too. So thanks for joining us for this fun experiment. See you soon.